Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Eclipse finance token. Ticker symbol is Eclip. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 22nd at 13 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on tomorrow, December 22nd, go into the trade section and search Eclip, ECLIP, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So there is a max total supply of 300 million tokens. This token is on the Arbitrum and Neutron blockchain. Now, how the token is distributed, we got 15% of the tokens going to the team, 5% advisors, 7% pre-seed, 1.8% seed round, 7.2% strategic sale, 8% IDO, 6% floating liquidity, 20% community incentives, 19% ecosystem growth, and 11% treasury. You can find their webpage at eclipsefi.io, and you can find a white paper at docs.eclipsefi.io. Welcome, Eclipsers! Launching the future of finance, Eclipsefi is a modular launch and liquidity solution that revolutionizes token launches, supporting innovation on Cosmos and beyond. Eclipsefi offers a comprehensive modular solution for token and liquidity needs, with the ability for projects to take charge of the entire token launch process from the beginning to customize their launch method and flow based on distribution and liquidity requirements. As the premier launch and go-to marketplace for Neutron, Eclipsefi enjoys the advantage of being well positioned to capitalize on the upcoming boom of Neutron, driven by Neutron's innovative technology, ecosystem, and thriving community. Eclipsefi has established strong connections and partnerships in the Web3 space, as well as in Web2 incubators and entrepreneurial programs, opening doors to launch Web2 companies looking to build in Web3. Additionally, Eclipsefi is incredibly positioned and connected inside the Cosmos ecosystem and primed to launch upcoming top-tier app chains. Our platform takes a unique approach in addressing the core challenges of token distribution and launching, and focuses heavily on long-term sustainability over short-term flips. By drawing on existing models, Eclipsefi incorporates modularity and encompasses experimentation and innovation, fostering research and development of new modules and improvements to the launch process. More information is enclosed in their document section that you could view, and they also have a Discord, they have a Telegram which you could follow at Eclipsefi, and a Twitter that you could follow at Eclipsefi. And as always, I'm going to put the Twitter up right on the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. They are reshaping the Web3 landscape Our vision is to transform the world of token launches by eliminating short-sighted and deceptive practices while providing additional avenues for high-quality projects to initiate and bootstrap their liquidity. We're committed to building a modular, sustainable launch platform that encourages innovation and supplies founders with the requisite support for a triumphant entry into the market. Our mission centers on building the ultimate launch and go-to-market protocol within the blockchain domain. Our platform aims to foster a community-driven environment, one in which active participation helps to refine launch mechanisms. Alongside this, we provide vital education and assistance to founders, all in the concerted effort to bolster the growth and prosperity of blockchain initiatives. In the future, Eclipsefi aspires to serve as the conduit for Web 2 projects, simplifying their integration with Web 3 and facilitating their launch on the blockchain by cutting through complex UX. Will enable bootstrapping, incentivization, network creation, and the realization of community goals. Leveraging our established network and expertise, we are determined to steer and sustain the assimilation of blockchain technology, thus molding the industry's future. So why Eclipsefi? Well, recognizing a substantial market gap for a dependable launch platform, we established Eclipsefi as the go-to primitive launch platform for DeFi and Web3, addressing numerous glaring issues related to launch pads and token launches. Eclipsefi aims to become the hub for GTM launches and liquidity bootstrapping, a place where builders and the community can get involved and help to innovate and shape the future of token launches, as well as a place focused on doing things properly, sustainably, and long-term. In accordance with this vision, Neutron was chosen as our initial home based due to their strong focus on the quality of DeFi, the lack of adequate launch solutions, and the cross-chain interoperable nature of IBC. We chose the Cosmos ecosystem with Neutron as the initial home due to the lack of adequate launch solutions, the high quality of projects and chains being developed, the strong focus on DeFi, and the cross-chain interoperable nature of IBC. They're not just another launch pad. They have deep project support, vetting and quality deal flow, limited mechanisms, flipping and short-term mentality, and branding and shill stigma, revolutionizing the token launch, implementing a location method for launch, ensuring user platform alignment, and facilitating fair price discovery and pricing. You can go over all the info at eclipsefi.io or docs.eclipsefi.io, and you can find this token newly listed tomorrow on Gates. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this project? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.